Hello, and welcome to our final return to the U.S. video. Printed on the inside of your Carnet jacket, you'll see instructions for using your ATA Carnet, including this section about returning your Carnet. Your Carnet document is the property of the United States Council for International Business. When you return from your final trip, return your Carnet with all the used and unused counterfoils and vouchers to us, Corporation for International Business, by receipted mail. If there is the possibility of additional trips, you have the option to keep the Carnet until it expires and return it within 14 days following expiration. Return the Carnet to Corporation for International Business, 18 East Dundee Road, Building 4, Suite 110, Barrington, Illinois, 60010. Keep a photocopy of the entire Carnet, including any unused sheets, for your records. This is very important. If you have any questions about your Carnet, call us at 800-282-2900 or email us at carnets@atacarnet.com.